Round 2 of cleaning PlayStation 3. As you can see, this is a slim, relatively new one. It's 3003B, made in 2001 Q3. Spring, most probably. There you go. You see how much dirt there is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Over here is bare. Not that much. From behind looks good, but from experience I'll tell you that it's going to be a mess inside. Okay, let's see how I'm going to unscrew and come back. Okay, I got the screws off. They're all here. As you can see, they're all gone. And this is the hard drive. I told you, looked fine outside, but when you open it, look, oh, it's sticky. Oof. What the fuck? And you cannot see, but I'm telling you, this is totally dirty. Okay, now I'm going to open it. Just a reminder, telling you, you are losing your warranty doing that. You can see the shape of the dust is coming from this guy. Look, the dirt all over the place. Come on. This is a heart attack. Look here as well. Anyway, we are losing the warranty, but what the hell? After 6 years, no warranty at all. So let's give some more life to this guy. It's done. Let's clean. You can see everything here. No dust, neither here. Nothing. The same, yeah. But over here at the fence or the power supply, there was a lot of dust over here. So what we did, it was to blow out. Okay guys, it's all back together. Always remember, clean the ports, the USB ports, everything. They keep dust inside. They will malfunction if you don't clean them up. So always clean. Also we're going to rub it around with special cleaner. Alright, so super clean. And always clean the power supply inside. Blow everything inside, like I said before. Okay, why? Because the fan from here is blowing the air towards to the back through the power supply to get out from these vents. If the power supply inside is blocked by dust, this airflow gets lower and lower, means eventually we'll get nothing. That's why you get overheating, YLODs, and etc. We will discuss about it at a later time. Have a good day. See ya.